Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Envato Elements branding assets into Photoshop. Easy to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of Photoshop installed for compatibility. Log into your Envato Elements account in your web browser. Search for the branding assets you want to download. Once you find the desired asset, click the download button. Choose the appropriate file format for your needs. After the file downloads, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder. Unzip the downloaded file if it's in a compressed format. Open the unzipped folder to view the contents. Select the branding asset file, usually in PSD format. Now, open Photoshop again. Drag the branding asset file into Photoshop's workspace. Alternatively, you can open the asset by selecting File in the menu. Click on Open and navigate to the branding asset file. Select the file and click Open to import it into Photoshop. Once imported, review the layers in the Layers panel. Make any necessary adjustments to the layers as per your requirements. You can customize colors, fonts, and other design elements. Save your project by clicking File and selecting Save As. Choose a suitable format for your final output, like PSD or JPG. Name your file and designate a save location on your computer. Click Save to finalize the process. You have now successfully installed and customized Envato Elements branding assets in Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.